What's up? Welcome back. My sign name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning about how you get a sign name and what it really means. So, in deaf culture, you're given a sign name by a deaf person. It is like a nickname, and it can only be given by a deaf person, and it kind of signifies your personality, something that you look like. Sometimes it has to do with your hair or certain features that you have. I was given my sign name by my deaf professor, and this is a sign for happy, and I guess I was really happy when I was younger. I got it when I was like 9 or 10, and my name starts with a C, so I was given this. But you can only get it from a deaf person, and it is very important.